Please understand, not all cases are the same, but the average DUI could cost approximately $10,000 to $25,000. Here are some of the basic guidelines to sentencing. You will go to jail, mandatory, or you can have electronic home monitoring, EHM, for not less than 14 days, which has a daily charge. Your driver's license suspended, mandatory. The ignition lock has to be installed in your car before your driver's license will be reinstated. This is a monthly fee, which varies by provider. Attorney fees from $3,300 to $6,000. You will have time off from work. Fines up to $5,000. You will have higher car insurance. Restitution for property damage. Don't drink and drive, it isn't worth it. But people do drink and drive, and there's a number on that. In Washington state, between 42,000 and 43,000 DUIs are issued a year. According to the Washington Department of Traffic Safety, only 2% of legally intoxicated drivers are arrested. That means there's a potential of 2.1 million instances of people driving legally intoxicated. There are only 4.5 million licensed drivers in the state of Washington. Does that mean almost half of the automobiles in Washington state are being driven by intoxicated drivers? No. 7% of the driving population account for 66% of all alcohol-related accidents, although 80% of adult drivers admit to have driven after drinking. 70% of DUIs are first-time offenders, while 30% reoffend within 10 years of the first conviction. 51% get the second DUI within 1 year of their first offense, 15% reoffend within 1 to 2 years, as 10% reoffend within 2 and 3 years. .08 is the legal limit in the state of Washington.